This little fellow that looks like a plush toy is actually a Munchkin cat. Its legs are so short they're almost invisible. When it walks, it waddles adorably and is very cute. Originating in the United States, Munchkin cats are gentle and affectionate, enjoying close interactions with people. When a Munchkin cat is bred with a Persian cat, the result is a Napoleon cat, another short-legged breed. Despite their short legs, they are incredibly fast runners, moving by making a series of quick jumps to reach their destination. They also have a cute habit of standing on their hind legs like a little rabbit, especially when they're curious about something or observing their surroundings, which makes them look extra clever and adorable. However, due to their unique skeletal structure, Munchkin cats may develop joint problems as they age. Some countries have banned the breeding of Munchkin cats. Munchkin cats are absolutely irresistible.